Hello everyone, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create rounded hexagon flow with 5 options. So let's see how to do this in PowerPoint. First go to Insert tab, Shapes and insert hexagon shape. Align center, middle to the slide. Add fill with no outline. Increase the size. Then go the Insert tab and insert circle. Remove outline. Align that to the corner and top of the hexagon. Duplicate the circle, and align that respectively to the other corners of the hexagon. Select all the circles, group, and duplicate, place that in its original position. Increase its size and align that to the corner overlapping the hexagon. Ungroup. Combine the shape using Merge Shapes, Union. Then select the hexagon and the combined shapes and subtract using the merge shape. Select the inner circle, ungroup. Combine the shape using Merge Shape, Union. Decrease the size. Duplicate the shape. Now go to the Insert, Shape, and insert the rectangle. Place that between the two hexagon shape. Add transparency, which will be very useful to adjust the position of the rectangle. Insert the circle and duplicate it. Now take that circle and overlap with the rectangle. Adjust its sizes. Change the color of the circles to white, to see whether the overlaps and circles positions are fine. Adjust the circles. Once the circles are fixed, select the rectangle and top circle and subtract using Merge Shapes. Again subtract the rectangle with the below circle. Now you have created the custom shape. Change the color and remove the transparency. Now duplicate the hexagon shape and align it as a third options. Now group all the shapes and duplicate. Ungroup the first set. Left align the duplicated shapes to third hexagon shape, ungroup. Delete the third hexagon. You will now find the 5 options layout. Adjust the glitches if any. Then select all the hexagon shape, duplicate and place that in its original position. Ungroup the duplicated shapes. Decrease the size and change its color to white. Duplicate the white shape and place it in its original position. Decrease its size. Add shadow. Then select all the base shape, group, and add gradient colors. Duplicate the hexagon. Rotate and increase its size and align it to the small hexagon. Duplicate the shapes and align that to the small hexagon shape respectively. Select all the big hexagon shape and send to back. Ungroup the shapes. Select bottom 3 big hexagon, distribute and combine that to one shape using merge shapes, union. Add gradient. So the same for the top 2 hexagon shapes. Now add the icons and text. So here it's our final slideshow. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to click notification bell icon. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in my next video.